A lot of people famous, the shit can't be tough. Got a date with my dreams, hope she don't stand me up. And I always try to be a stand-up youngin', ever since I could even stand up. Portions is getting ration, I'ma get a bigger plate. And they ask how long it'll take, and I say I figure 8. And since I'm already skating on thin ice, I might as well do a figure 8. Time is money, swear you niggas late. I hope making is everything I anticipate, cause dreams are signs still delivered, plus shipping and handling. My last 8 nights were crazy, feel like Adam Sandler. I had to cancel all my friends, no Ross and Chandler. I got a tech this is fragile, cause these women do damage. And I may rap about having a menage, but my fans can see right through me. And I'm making music to touch the people that's sharp as those Wesley Snipes movies. Damn, that's Blade 1 to Trinity. I'm so fucking different, my favorite number's infinity. So just give me some time, cause I know right now y'all ain't feeling me. But in the same time, you will see crystals in my clarity. Yep, now let me step back to this. And it wasn't even hard to write my best raps for this. And I used to wanna play ball, but I missed the practices. Used to wanna act just to get the actresses. But nah, I was too real to be fake for them. Now I think about it, I should probably get some thanks for them. Cause if it wasn't for them, then it wouldn't be me. Cause now it's Wayne and Jay-Z, so I settled for 3. How AI was the answer, but it's better with me. Like the best of both worlds, I'm the devil with wings. Charlie Sheen is becoming cliche with the women. And where I'm from had nothing but the loose women. And even though where I'm from had nothing but slaves in it, none of that can stop me from saying I love Virginia.